Hello, this is Attorney Dr. Mercy, and this is your Mercy Minute, a law school edition. Today, we're going to talk about law school application amendments. Now, for those who are currently in law school, you're probably preparing for finals coming up. Right? That's so cute. You're probably, or if graduation is upon the horizon, you can see it. You can see you walking down the across the stage. Here's some tips some of y'all probably may need to amend your law school application. And let me tell you why. So, what happens is like when you are applying for law school, right, in your application, there's going to be, depending on what law school, depending on you know, how lenient they are, they may ask you, have you had any convictions? And if they ask you for convictions and you don't have any convictions, guess what? You're good. But if they ask you for arrests or they ask you for different citations, you have to be honest and let them know. If you weren't honest in the beginning, or ignorance is bliss, or you didn't know and then you found out, depending on your law school's rules and regulations, you have to amend. You have to go into the registrars and update your information. Now, before you do that, taking things off your chest, I need you to make sure that you get the situation resolved. All right. So if it was a ticket, you didn't know about it, get it paid. Try to get it restricted. In Fulton County, there's these awesome record restriction summits and other places. Try to get it taken care of and then bring it back in a nice little package like law school here. All right. Or if you got arrested while in law school, check with the rules and regulations. You may be legally required to let them know. All right. But it may be if it happened before and you didn't tell them, well, dang, you didn't tell them yet. Try to be in the process of fixing the situation. All right. Make sure that you know the rules and regulations of being in law school. The reason why I'm telling you this is not just to scare y'all before finals, but here's what it is. Before the bar exam, before that beast called the bar, there is a monster called character and fitness. And character and fitness is what it says. It is your character and your fitness, because it will test your endurance. I had to go search for things, from 19 something, you know what I'm saying? 1990. These were things that you had to find, get it together, and you know give to these people. Did they ask for a stool sample? I don't It felt like they did. It felt like they asked for a stool sample. But here's the issue. They're going to delve into your life because they want to make sure that you have the character of being an attorney, right? One of the things is that if you take care of situations like that in law school, it's so much easier. All right. So, best to take care of it now while you're in school, protected by the bubble of school, right? Versus while you're out and now you have to, you know, plead your case in front of a panel of people. So, it's best to do that. And then while if you got arrested while you're in school, and it was a bogus arrest, great. Get the paperwork. Try to get it restricted. Give your whole school the packet of all of it that was completed and done. Okay? Now they'll put it in there, they didn't kick you out. You know what I'm saying? They're not going to chill. Like you giving them blue books. Okay? You giving them grades. You know what I mean? You have some level of protection. It's just be honest, because if you're not honest in the beginning, the setup is real. Okay. So it's best to just know where you're at. So we're going to figure out the rules and regulations for our school. All right. Second, go to the registrars, make a little copy, get you a printout of your law school application. Let's see, if you filed it while you were sleeping, you probably missed some things, right? And then whatever issues that we didn't disclose, we're going to disclose them. But here's the thing, I would love for you to just talk to an attorney beforehand. Talk to an advisor, talk to somebody else before you do it. Let them look at the packet, let them make sure that everything is good. Because if you take care of it beforehand in law school, in the bubble of law school, it's easier than trying to defend your case in character and fitness. All right, we see this often. I mean, you can't even get to the bar exam because you have these things that you could have addressed early on. So address them early. Yeah, I know you want to be an attorney, but even attorneys needs attorneys. All right, so do that. And if another thing is, if you're in a job and you got the job, you know what I'm saying? And, they didn't ask you certain things, or they did, or you forgot certain things, and you said, won't he do it? Listen, it may come back up. If you're looking for promotion, if you've been there and you showed yourself, it may come back up. And when HR looks at your application and your criminal history and your application don't match, don't set yourself up. Don't set yourself up. So look at it, find an attorney, ask them. They will be able to, get your employee handbook. Look at your employee handbook. Law school students, look at the rules and regulations, the guidelines for your law school. Do the same thing that if you've argued for a grade, then you can argue for yourself. You're already in there. You're already in there. It's easier to take care of while you're in the bubble of law school, right? And for those with the employment, it's easier to take care of while while you're not looking for a promotion. Like if you're already in there, you've already made strides. Hey, why don't you just go take care of what you need to take care of? Let them know, hey, this is what happened. Give them the situation. Let them know that it was already taken care of, and then go on from there. There are people out here who won't apply for, won't try to get promotions because of what they said in their application, and that's not a good way to live. Just talk to HR. Let them know. Talk to an attorney first. Talk to an attorney first. I said, what did I say? I said, talk to an attorney first, an employment attorney first, right? Let them holler at a consult. Let them know what you're thinking. Situations may be different for each situation, and then go on from there. All right? That's your Mercy Minute. Bye.